I'm Debbie Deere, and I'm the founder and executive director of Vanguard Landing. Vanguard Landing is an live, work, play community with support needs in place for our friends and family members that have intellectual and developmental disabilities. We have the best site contractors. They are out here doing site work, which is the most important, which is you can't build vertical buildings until you do all the infrastructure. So moving the power poles, digging the ponds, putting in the sewer mains. It's a community hub, places to live, places to work, places to recreate, places to socialize. We will be the first of our kind in the Commonwealth of Virginia. We're going to have more to do than they can keep up with.